Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 220 Star Drop opening, and today is Valentine's Day, so let's see what we have.
Epic!
Starting with an epic. Okay, a bull spray, that's pretty cool, huh?
Epic!
Another epic. Hey, scoop spray.
Super rare.
Super rare. That's only PowerPoint, so, but two sprays, that's pretty cool. Got that Valentine's Day luck, I suppose. I was planning to do the Flag Bearer Piper Star Drops today, but I don't think I'm going to have time, which is why I'm really happy that the Complete Me challenge is 2 days, because I think I'm going to have to try to put all this in tomorrow. I just don't have time tonight. It's very busy day. At least for me it is. Of course the Mega Pig is this weekend, so busy these days. Alright, well again, if you guys do this challenge today, or you already have, let me know if you got anything good out of the Star Drops. Let me know if you have bought Flag Bearer Piper and got anything good out of the Star Drops. I'm interested to know. But additionally, today is, I want to say day 7, right, of the Lunar Brawl event, so I get 888 free XP doublers. Once we get through the lag, of course. We got all the other Lunar Brawl offers still in the shop. We have these special Valentine's offers with the new Doll Jessie skin, which is only rare, so it seems quite affordable. But additionally, I believe you can get this out of a Star Drop, so I'm just going to place my luck on that. And I try not to buy hypercharges unless you really compete at higher levels, I guess. But otherwise, you're getting more value when you get them out of Star Drops. And of course, you have the discounted offers for the previously released skins. The daily preview, I have 15 coins. Also a giant blank screen. And 5 credits. Is this, opening screen really necessary? What if they just remove it completely? Would it make that much of a difference? So there are those things. There's 3 different things going on right now, but again, I'm a bit strapped for time. I'll just check the news tab really quick. There's a pretty cool pictures they have for the doll Jessie as the real doll. I'd actually be pretty intrigued if they sold doll Jessie as a real doll. You guys let me know if that's actually a thing. But anyway, as of today, I have 11,230 XP doublers and 28,502 power points, which again I'd probably never use, but they're gonna fix it eventually, right guys? They have to, right? Anyway, let's see how far I can take this, guys, and of course, thank you so much for watching. Again, it's not easy getting to 220 days, so let's see what we can do.